Hey guys, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And today we're standing in front of a fresh pre-owned boat we just took in on trade. It is a 2019 Regal 2300. The boat is equipped with a power tower and it does include the trailer. Come on in, let me show you a couple cool things I like about this boat. Hey guys, I'm now standing in this 2019 Regal 2300. One cool thing I liked about this Regal, it's got a very comfortable helm area here. It's got a lot of support in the seats, a nice comfort wrap steering wheel, and a lot of power. This boat is equipped with a VOLVO 350 horsepower motor, so it's got a ton of power, ton of speed, and real easy to drive. Another cool thing about the boat is, I mentioned it earlier, is this power tower. So if you're going underneath bridges or just need a little bit lower for storage, the Regal Power Tower has it. For more information on this Regal or any other boat that we have here in MarineMax Dallas, my name is Jason. Don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.